I listen carefully in my class. I listen carefully in my class. I write my notes neatly. I write my notes neatly. I complete my classwork on time. I complete my classwork on time. I ask questions when I do not understand. I ask questions when I do not understand. I enjoy learning new things daily. I enjoy learning new things daily. I share my lunch with friends. I share my lunch with friends. I respect my classmates always. I respect my classmates always. I return home in the afternoon. I return home in the afternoon. I wash my hands before eating. I wash my hands before eating. I take some rest after lunch. I take some rest after lunch. I watch television for some time. I watch television for some time. I read my books in evening. I read my books in evening. I revise my lessons daily. I revise my lessons daily. I help my younger brother study. I help my younger brother study. I play outside with my friends. I play outside with my friends. I come back home before sunset. I come back home before sunset. I wear clean clothes every day. I wear clean clothes every day. I sit with my family at dinner. I sit with my family at dinner. I talk about my day happily. I talk about my day happily. I drink water regularly. I drink water regularly. I clean my study table daily. I clean my study table daily. I prepare my school bag at night. I prepare my school bag at night. I set my alarm for morning. I set my alarm for morning. I go to bed on time. I go to bed on time. I sleep peacefully at night. I sleep peacefully at night. I wake up fresh next morning. I wake up fresh next morning.